Ito ang Byahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Love, back with me, DJ Lala Banderas, para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Unang stop ng ating hashtag Byaheng TOTGA. Some people break up not because they no longer love each other, but because the other is too far ahead sa relationship nila and the other was left just trying to enjoy what they have. Yung mga tipo ng partners na yung isa sobrang sure of what he or she wants sa future, tapos yung isa ang mentality ay YOLO. Sometimes kasi pag ganito ka magkaiba ang pananaw sa buhay ng mga magkarelasyon, it scares the other person. Tipong iniisip niya kung may plano ba sa akin to, may plano ba para sa aming dalawa to, bakit parang wala siyang plano sa buhay. With these reservations in mind, yung isa nagle-let go not because hindi niya na mahal, but because hindi niya nakikita yung isa na may plano para sa kanya. Love, I get you. Believe me, naiintindihan ko kung saan ka nang gagaling. But I hope you can still weigh things up. I hope you can realize na it may not be the relationship na clear ang path sa future, but the good things do outweigh the bad. Don't be pressured by the people around you or your own thinking. Take a little something from your partner. Enjoy what you have before it becomes something you had. Dahil lang masyado kang nagmadali or naging controlling or perfectionist sa buhay. Always remember, my love, na may panahon ang bawat pagkakataon. Hindi pa siya sa quote-unquote sa ngayon for a reason. Okay? Chill ka lang, okay? Next stop ng ating hashtag Byaheng TOTGA. TOTGA is not only exclusive to the one you are romantically involved with. It can also be a career path. Alam mo yung feeling na nag-let go ka sa isang working environment na masaya, you are respected, treated beautifully at known for naman just because you wanted something that pays bigger. Though a part of me, naiintindihan ko naman kasi nga naman na sa panahon ngayon you have to be practical. You need to be a part of a company that puts value to your worth and what you can do. But sa simula lang kasi yun eh. Mas mainam pa din ang isang career or profesyon na ang tingin sa'yo ay pamilya. May respeto at may suporta. Kesa sa isang kumpanya na ang labanan ay pasikatan at pera-pera. What you have now is nothing more than a job. Not a career that you can be proud of and brag about. So love, given a chance, please choose a job and workplace that makes you happy and feel fulfilled. Something na hindi man magpaapaw ng kaban ng cash mo, will and can give you enough and more than what your heart desired. A workplace that you can actually call your second home. Okay? Last stop ng ating hashtag Byaheng TOTGA. We constantly meet people along the way sa journey ng life natin. Constantly din nangyayari na some people go, some people stay. But I hope na in your journey, you will never find yourself feeling sorry about letting go sa mga totoong tao at nagmamahal naman talaga sa'yo. In exchange for people na minsan lang kumampi sa'yo, akala mo na totoo. Even friends do argue. Tatandaan nyo yan. Lahat na magkakaibigan, no matter how deep yung pinagsamahan, meron pa rin silang hindi pinagkakasunduan, and that is normal. But if the foundation of that friendship is strong enough, you will find forgiveness and honesty, consoling and more than enough reason to stay and understand your friend. Kasi ang pagkakaibigang nabuo sa plastikan at backstaban, I guarantee you, di magtatagal at mauuwi lang din yan sa hiwalayan. So please, refrain from choosing fake friends over people who are brutally honest with you, but you know deep within you will fight for you and with you. Sa panahon kasi ngayon, love, mas mainam na yung harap-harapan kang sinasaktan kesa sinasaksak ka ng talikuran. Diba? Sa mga kabisyo natin, idire-diretso natin ang usapan na hashtag Byaheng TOTGA over at my Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas. You are still with me. My name is DJ Lala and you're still tuned in sa aking programang Byahe, ang programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Dito lang yan sa 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.